Hello friends, it's Reza from channel Reza Blade. Thank you for coming. Thank you for watching this video. I just wanted to start out by saying that my next 30 reviews in 30 days series is not starting this very second. This is just a haul video. I'm starting my review series in a couple days. When you see that first video, you know I'm go. So I thought yesterday I received a whole bunch of stuff and I thought I would show you guys what I've got. I filmed this earlier, but I sneezed, I guess, probably 10 times during the video, so I decided to just scrap it. Allergies are really getting to me. I hope you guys are doing okay. And let's get on to the plates, shall we? So these are my UR sugars. We've got UR MO3. We've got UR SO9. UR MO5. Those are great for French tips. If you want a really decorative floral tip on your nails, boom, awesome. UR L006. And remember, these are great plates, but they do not have a backing. So be careful when you're handling them. And if you will comment in the comment section which ones you want to see first, I will follow your instructions. Otherwise, I'll just do whichever video any given day that I would like to do. These I already took the blue stuff off because they had a few layers of blue stuff on them. This is ZJoy 014. Now these are a little pricey for tiny round plates. They're $2 each. So be aware of that. If you like the ZJoy designs, which are very unique, be aware that you will pay for them. ZJoy 005. Love this one. And I don't know if I told you the second plate, but the paper dolls ones are 13 and 14. All right. And then I got 3 KADS plates. Love this one. Well, I love them all. These are particularly beautiful. All these little images are perfect for decals or LED lighting, whatever you want to do. Just beautiful. This guy's a perfect half moon image. Oh, look, a Tudor Rose. Cool. Well, I needed that plate more than I thought I did. Love Tudor Roses. All right, so these two are from Born Pretty. The next two are from Born Pretty. Here's a plant stand of some sort. That was upside down, sorry. Got all sorts of neat little things there. I love that little cloud. It's a great little mailbox. And we have a bakery. Now these two aren't new, they're ones I didn't have. I like that. Cake. Yes, cake. All right. Oh, a third Born Pretty. I know it's out of Valentine's Day season, but they're new and I found it at a really good price. I think I probably paid 97 cents for this one because it was an auction on eBay. All right, and then these are 3 of the You Are Beautiful plates. I don't know if you've heard of these, but I'll show you the link in the description section that I've got. These stamp amazingly. Really great designs too. Now these are dupes, I believe. I've been told of of Uber Chic plates. I don't know which ones, but I have bought a bunch of Uber Chic plates. So, and I don't have any duplicates. I don't know which ones these are, but anyway, if you care about that kind of thing, the generic wars or whatever, then these aren't plates that you'll want to buy. But if you don't care, then they're like $2.95 or something each, which is pretty good. Then again, it is AliExpress, so there are some people who don't like that anyway. Anyway, thank you for joining me today for my haul. I will, you'll be hearing from me in the next couple of days, or 3 days, about my new series starting. And I really appreciate you being here to share this haul with me. Thank you.